If you want to support your liver naturally, there are a few simple remedies that may help. In this video, I'll show you 2 easy combinations, an oat and rose hip infusion and a prune and lemon mixture that gently support liver function and help reduce the strain associated with fatty liver. And at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly how to prepare both remedies step by step. Fatty liver disease is often described by doctors as a hidden and progressive condition, and that description exists for a very real reason. The liver has no nerve endings, which means it cannot send pain signals when something begins to go wrong. Instead of alerting you immediately, it continues working quietly in the background while damage can slowly accumulate over time. The problem is that many people do not realize they have fatty liver until significant strain has already developed. The liver is responsible for more than 500 essential functions in the body. It acts as the body's primary detoxification center, metabolic hub, and protein factory. Every day, it filters more than 250 gallons of blood, produces bile to digest fats, stores key nutrients such as glycogen and iron, and plays a central role in regulating blood clotting. As fatty liver disease develops, fat droplets begin to accumulate inside liver cells. Over time, this buildup reduces the liver's filtering efficiency, making it harder for the organ to function properly. Despite this strain, the liver continues working non-stop, processing medications, alcohol, food toxins, hormone byproducts, and old or damaged cells. When this workload becomes excessive due to long-term medication use, poor diet, overeating, alcohol consumption, or chronic stress, the liver can gradually slow down. The encouraging news is that the liver has an extraordinary ability to regenerate. It is the only visceral organ capable of full-scale natural regeneration and can regrow to its original size within weeks, even after up to 75% of its tissue has been removed. In cases of fatty liver disease, especially in the earlier stages, the liver can often reverse fat accumulation and repair damage. With consistent lifestyle changes, including maintaining a healthy body weight, engaging in regular physical activity, adopting a nutritious diet, eliminating alcohol, and incorporating supportive natural remedies, a fatty liver can sometimes return to normal function within 6 months to a year. The potential for recovery depends largely on the stage of the condition. In simple fatty liver, also known as steatosis, the likelihood of full recovery is quite high, and noticeable improvement is often seen within 3 to 6 months. In more advanced stages, where inflammation and mild fibrosis are present, fat accumulation and inflammation can still be reduced, and early scar tissue may partially improve with consistent lifestyle changes. Several factors strongly support liver regeneration. Losing about 7 to 10% of body weight and engaging in at least 2 hours of moderate physical activity each week can make a significant difference. While more vigorous exercise can provide additional benefits, simple and consistent walking is often sufficient, especially for older adults or individuals with physical limitations. Many people do not immediately recognize the early signs of liver stress. Symptoms tend to be subtle: ongoing fatigue, a feeling of heaviness after meals, occasional bloating, or even a persistent bitter taste in the mouth. More often than not, these signs indicate that the liver is working harder than it should. That is why supporting liver health should always be a gradual process. The goal is not to trigger a rapid or aggressive detox, but rather to create the conditions that allow the liver to recover naturally. With consistency and proper support, meaningful improvement can occur. Over the course of about 30 days, it is often possible to reduce the liver's workload and activate its natural recovery mechanisms. Supporting the liver begins with moderation. This means eating simple foods, allowing proper breaks between meals, and avoiding overeating. Certain foods can also support the body's natural detoxification processes. Cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, and sauerkraut contain compounds that help the body process and eliminate metabolic waste. Leafy greens like arugula, kale, and collard greens, along with cleansing vegetables such as radishes and daikon, further support digestion and healthy liver function. Adequate protein intake is also important. Protein provides the amino acids needed to repair liver cells and maintain antioxidant systems within the body. Without enough protein, the liver lacks the building blocks required for regeneration. Beneficial sources include eggs, chicken, turkey, lean red meat, and wild-caught seafood. Alongside proper nutrition, certain natural remedies may help support liver function, provided they work gently and avoid aggressive cleansing effects. The first remedy is a gentle infusion made from oats and rose hips, a combination that has traditionally been used to support liver health. In a moment, I'll explain why oats and rose hips work so well together. Oats have long been used when the liver is under strain. They contain valuable vitamins, amino acids, and essential minerals while gently supporting metabolism, digestion, and the nervous system. One of the most important compounds in oats is beta-glucan, a soluble fiber found in oat kernels. Beta-glucan is widely known for helping lower LDL cholesterol, improving blood glucose control, and supporting cardiovascular health. Research also suggests that beta-glucan may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver by decreasing fat synthesis and increasing fat breakdown. It may also lower inflammatory markers and help slow the progression of liver fibrosis. Before we continue, if you're finding this helpful, give this video a quick like. It really means a lot for the channel and helps more people find this information. And if you haven't already, I'd love for you to subscribe and turn on those notifications so you can stay up to date with future videos. Now, let's keep going. Rose hips are another valuable ingredient. They are rich in antioxidants, flavonoids, and phenolic compounds that support liver health. Their antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress on the liver, helping prevent cell damage and inflammation. Rose hips are also naturally high in vitamin C, which stimulates the production of glutathione, one of the body's most important antioxidants involved in detoxification. Together, oats and rose hips work gradually and gently, supporting the body without triggering harsh reactions. Now let's go step by step through how to prepare the infusion properly. To prepare the infusion, use 2 tablespoons of unhulled oats and 1 tablespoon of dried rose hips. Rinse the ingredients thoroughly and, if possible, lightly crush the rose hips to help release their beneficial compounds. Place both ingredients into a thermos and add 2 cups of hot water. Allow the water to cool for about 3 to 5 minutes after boiling before pouring it in. Mix well and allow the infusion to steep for about 8 hours, ideally overnight. In the morning, strain the liquid and discard the solids. Pour the strained infusion back into the thermos to keep it warm. Drink 1 cup about 20 minutes before breakfast and the second cup about 20 minutes before dinner. If sediment settles at the bottom, drink it as well, as it contains beneficial components. If needed, a small amount of honey can be added to improve the taste. The second remedy works in a different way. It supports digestion and helps the body eliminate metabolic waste overnight. This remedy combines prunes and lemon. Prunes are well known for supporting digestive health due to their fiber and sorbitol content, which helps relieve constipation. They also support heart health, help lower dangerous LDL cholesterol, and provide antioxidants that protect the body from oxidative stress. Pertaining to liver health, prunes contain polyphenols, antioxidants that help reduce inflammation, protect cells from damage, and support the liver's natural detoxification processes. When consumed in the evening, prunes help support digestive cleansing the following morning. Lemons are another helpful addition. They are rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that support immunity, digestion, and cardiovascular health. Lemons also contain a compound called naringenin, which research suggests may help reduce fat accumulation in the liver and decrease inflammation. In addition, lemons stimulate bile production and digestive enzymes, helping improve digestion and reduce the liver's workload. To prepare the prune and lemon mixture, take 5 prunes, or 2 if you have sensitive digestion. Rinse and chop the prunes, then pour boiling hot water over them, filling a regular-sized cup nearly to the top. Allow the mixture to steep for about 10 minutes, then add 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Prepare this mixture about 2 hours before bedtime. Drink the liquid about 90 minutes before going to bed, and then eat the prunes afterward. This 2-part routine can be followed daily for 1 month. After that, it can be repeated every 3 months over the course of a year. When followed consistently, this approach will help support liver recovery and improve overall liver function. However, it is most effective when combined with the lifestyle habits discussed earlier, including proper nutrition, maintaining a healthy body weight, regular physical activity, and avoiding alcohol. One point that deserves special emphasis is the quality of the ingredients and the fact that everything discussed here should be consumed in moderation. Whenever possible, try to choose organic products for the remedies discussed in this video. Reducing exposure to pesticides and other agricultural chemicals helps lessen the burden placed on the liver, allowing it to focus on its many essential functions. I often emphasize the importance of organic ingredients and moderation throughout my videos because these aspects of good health are significant and can make a meaningful difference over time. As always, it is important to do your own research and consult a healthcare professional, especially if you have medical conditions or take prescription medications. If you found this video helpful, give it a like so more people can discover practical, evidence-based health information. Subscribe for more videos focused on natural health and prevention. And tell me in the comments if you've ever tried natural remedies to support liver health, and which of these 2 remedies you would try first. Thank you for watching, and I wish you continued good health.